Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the table below represents the relationship between the total cost of a rental sailboat, Y, and the number of hours rented, X, with an initial charge for using the life jacket. Which of the following graphs represents this situation? So, what are they talking about? Well, they're talking about the total cost for renting a sailboat, which is going to be your Y values, and the number of hours that you are going to rent it, and that will be your X. Okay, there's also an initial charge for using the life jacket. Notice how I don't have any numbers given to me, but now I see a table below, right? And on my table I got hours and cost. Earlier it says the number of hours rented X, so the hours is X, and the total cost of renting the sailboat, it says that it was Y. Then this is Y. So now all we gotta do, look at the answer choices. We have graphs. Okay, so I'm not gonna make the problem that complicated. I'm hoping that you guys can think about, well, the hours and the cost is actually an ordered pair, where 2 is the X and 13 is the Y. So what about if we just try to find those points on the given graphs and see which graph has all the points that are given to me on the table, right? So for example, let's go to letter A. 2 on X is right here, and I'm looking for 13 on Y. Now this is 10, so this will be a 5. 10, this will be a 15. So I'm counting by fives. So 13 will be somewhere over here. So if I go across and across, what do you notice? Is that point even on the line? No, it's not, right? So I know A cannot be my answer. What about B? Let's do the same thing. This is 2, and I need 13. So I'm counting by fives also. That's 20, 25, 30, 35, right? So if we need to finish it, we'll go ahead and write the rest of the numbers. I need 13 on Y. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, somewhere around here. And I go across and it's like, it looks like it's on the line, miss, right? Okay, so please don't tell me that's the answer, because we gotta check at least a couple of more points. Let's go to 4 and 21. So now I'm gonna go to 4 on X, 21 on Y. So this is 4 right here, and that's 20. 21 is just a little bit above that. So it kind of looks there, right? What about the next point? 6 goes with 29. 29 is just below 30. So they look pretty close, right? And then the last one is 8 and 37, which is less than 40. So letter B looks very close to my answers, right? I know it's kind of hard to decide when the numbers are not exactly on the lines, but that's the best we can do. Let's check on letter C. Maybe we can eliminate the other ones, right? And that can prevent us from having doubts on B. So let's go with 2 and 13. That's 2. I'm counting by 5 also. And 13 will be somewhere over here. And luckily for us, that's way off the line, right? So disregard that. Let's go to letter D. So now I got 2 is right here, and 13. Remember, I'm going by fives. So 13 will be somewhere over here, and it kind of looks close to our line. Maybe not exactly on the line, but it kind of looks close, right? So let's go check on 4 and 21. 4 is here, 20 is here. So 21 will be just a little bit above that, okay? And I'm gonna go up and look at where that is. It's a little bit off from the line, right? Just to be on the safe side, we can check 6 and 29. Here's 6, that's 30. 29 is just below that. Very, very close to 30 though. It's still off the line, right? And if you were to check the last one, 8 and 37, look at what's going to happen. This is 35. Now that's even more of the graph, right? Okay. So the first point kind of got us scared, right? Because it looked like it was too close to the line. But the only one that has most of the points very, very close to my table, it's letter B.